Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down here in Memphis. Gonna show you a 2016 Pete Pride in Class glider kit. It's got a 12.7 pre-E-Log Detroit, 13-speed, 560 on the miles. Extremely clean truck, maybe one of the nicest ones we've got out here today. But I'm gonna do a full walk around. I've gotten it hot, pretty much operating temperature for you to see blow by, oil pressure, the whole 9 yards. So well, let's get to it. Get started firing it up. This one just came in yesterday, and they just kept it extremely clean. Super nice. It's nice when they come in this way. You can tell that somebody's really taking care of it. Pride in Class series, platinum interior with that. Doesn't even look like they used the bunk, so I got the plastic on it. No oil leaks. Everything's clean on the front and back. Excellent steers. Got normal, moderate blow by for a Detroit. Polished aluminum fenders. Your Pride in Class is going to have a few extras with the fenders, the louvers on the side, the chrome strip on top. Got a little extra light bar on the back here, LEDs in the back. Excellent rubber matched virgins on the back, all aluminum wheels, slider, good brakes. There you go, guys. This is 2016 Pete Pride in Class glider kit. If you like what you see, give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can always email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.